Hey friends, Andy Bond here from the Lee team for the last time. We talked about being discouraged. We've talked about a couple of tips to get your house ready to market. First impressions. We talked about digital design. We talked about old school real estate. Today I want to talk to you just about going above and beyond. As I'm talking, you're going to see some things come up on the screen. Things like high-end professional photography, or maybe a 3D Matterport, open houses, and not just open houses, but open houses done in a strategic way to actually inflate demand on your property. Pocket listings is something that we can discuss, and so we are a team committed to going above and beyond. We have full-time people on the phones, answering leads, proactively reaching out for your buyers. And I'll just give an example. We listed a home and we started prospecting for buyers, and we had a client reach out from Michigan who we had sold years prior who said, I want to buy that house. And they drove down here because of our intentional prospecting, and they came and they paid full price for the home. They paid cash with no contingencies. And so that's the power of joining up with a team who isn't just sticking a sign in the yard and posting pretty pictures on Zillow. And if you're looking for a clear path to sell your home at the highest price possible, and someone who'll actually listen to you and come up with a custom marketing strategy, click on the link below. We would love to sit down with you.